Go. Hi, so welcome back to Education Rocks. This is a special video since we just hit 6 subscribers, which is over the 5 mark. So we are going to do a word in chapter 2 of the math. The word today is insignia. So you might see a few words you know. You see sign, and you see in, and of course you see A, but I don't know if A has to do with anything because it could be a hair or a cherry. So we don't know if that A does anything. So the pronunciation for this, you would put in, remember to put the parentheses, in, sig, ni, So you could also do in, sig, and then you could put the nia all together, but we're gonna do it the top way. Now for the synonym. Oops, I skipped definition. That's the most important part. How did I forget that? So the definition for insignia is a mark or a token of something. So I'm just going to write mark or token so you remember if it's yours. It's just a mark. So a synonym would be a mark. We're going to do picture before origin. So a picture would be, let's just do on somebody's pencil. They put in insignia, that could be their insignia, to know that it's theirs. So let's just say that's pens. That's pens, pencil. So now the origin is from Latin. And of course I forgot something. I forgot sentence. So the sentence, a sentence, would be, he marked, and remember we put an, because this insignia starts with a vowel. So we put, he marked an insignia on his, she on her, because we did he last time. She marked an insignia on her block. So that means she wants to remember that it's her block. And so now we're gonna go over this word. So Education Rocks. The word is insignia. We found 3 base words, in and sign. We actually found 2 because we don't know if A is important, so I'm gonna circle it twice. The pronunciation is in, sig, ni, I think they did this because there's 4 syllables. There's 4 syllables, but I'm doing insignia. So the definition of insignia is mark or a token. A synonym is a mark / a token, of course. Here's the picture. This is pens, pencil. No, let's say pen. The origin is from Latin. And the sentence is, she marked an insignia on her block. So that means she doesn't want to lose her block, so she put a mark on it so she would remember it's hers. So now, let's start on chapter 2 of math. Education Rocks. I'm going to put a smiley face exclamation. Okay, so chapter 2 of math is going to be, so you remember that we did adding long last time. So chapter 2 is going to be, we're going to go from whole numbers to fractions, whole numbers to fractions. So this one's going to be, I think the most simple is adding with like denominators. Barely had any space there. That's okay. So let's just say I'm going to do 2 over 2. And then this 2 over 2. The top is always the numerator of the fraction, numerator. The bottom is always the denominator. So we know that I'm going to put a like fraction. And then this denominator, we know that the two fractions that we're adding have the same denominator, the bottom number. So next let's actually do it. Let's start with simple. 1/8 plus 4/8. So what we would not do is we wouldn't add 16 and then 5. We wouldn't add both columns. Since it's a like denominator, we would just add the numerator and we would have our answer. So the correct answer is 5/8, not 5/16. So wrong, right. So we are going to talk about what happens if the denominators aren't alike, like this. That. But we're not actually going to do that. That would take a long time. So what we are going to do is we're going to do problems like this. 4/5 plus 1/10. And we are going to figure out how to do this in future episodes or videos. And that is it. So we have 6 subscribers. So this is the 6 subscribers special. And we have, I think, 53 views and 4 likes. I think these are all right. I know the subscribers is right. So that is it. Please subscribe and like. Bye.